Dear students, today next topic is machine instruction and programs. The machine instruction and programs, it is very important used to the how to calculate the different number systems and number representation, how to calculate the different number and how to ones and twos complement of the number. The machine instruction and programs, how to read the instructions and programs. I told the what is the program, the number of instruction is called the programs. And here is the concept of memory and program execution in the detail. For this machine instruction is to calculate the what is the concept of memory and how to execute the program in the different aspect. And here is used for the different aspects in the general program methodology is explained, which can be later implemented using the any processor. Also introduced are the concept of stacks and subroutines. There is also a discussion on types of data computer handles and their way to handle. And the examples of programs are written in the generic style, which can be implemented using specific processor like Motorola 68000 and the Intel Premium. And the concept of basic assembly language programming is also considered to brief explaining operations presenting of this topic, machine instruction and programs. In the machine instruction programs, the number representation and arithmetic operation, how to represent the numbers in the different numbers and arithmetic operations. The computers operate on the information which is represented by two valued electrical signals labeled as 0 and 1. 0 is the low and 1 is the high. We define the amount of information represented by such a signal as a binary digit of information. A string of bits is called binary number, means the 2 bits, the number is called a binary number. A binary number can be represented the value of actual number in hexadecimal, BCD and binary format. Any type of binary, BCD, code, hexadecimal, a text character or instruction code depending on the context in which is being used. And next is the number representation. How to represent the number? Let B, the capital B is there, is an n bit vector is given as b is equal to bn1 bn minus 1 bn minus 2 so on b1 b0, where bi is for I is vary from 0 or 1. For I is 0 to n minus 1, the value of I is 0 to n minus 1. This vector can represent either unsigned or signed integer values. That is important, signed and unsigned integer value to representing of this number. The unsigned integer value we are in the range from 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1. The value of integer, the v is range from 0 to, starting from 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, n is the number of bits. Therefore v of b is equal to, it can be represented as v of b is equal to bn minus 1 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus bn minus 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 2 plus b1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus b0 into 2 to the power of 0. We need to represent both positive and integer numbers. We need to represent both positive and negative numbers. We need to represent, it is for both positive and negative numbers. And numbers can be represented in the three formats. The number is represented in three formats: sign and magnitude, signed ones complement, signed twos complement. Okay, sign and magnitude, the first number represent, and signed ones complement and twos complement. Already you know the ones and twos complement in how to calculate the ones and twos complement of the numbers in the studied in the basic electronics. In all three systems, the most significant bit, here is the two bits, is one is MSB, one is LSB, one is the most significant bit and another is a least significant bit. It is reserved to indicate the sign. MSB is 0 for positive numbers and 1 for negative numbers. This is very important, just to listen. 0 for positive numbers and 1 for negative numbers. Positive numbers have same representation in all three systems, whereas negative values have different representation. Okay, the below table is just to see the representation of binary signed integers, what is the positive and negative values. Okay, and the positive values are I told positive numbers, 0 for positive number, 1 for negative numbers. Okay, and positive numbers have the same represented in all three formats. Same number represent for positive numbers, either sign, magnitude, ones and twos complement, and negative number values are different representation of all three formats. Okay, here just to see the value representation of this table. B valued representation, B3, B2, B1, B0, and this table, and sign and magnitude values represented, and signed 1's complement, signed 2's complement. Okay, what is the number, binary numbers? 0 1 1 is there. Above lines, see here all 0 0 is there. For here, for in the line here is written all 0 0. These above lines are here, above lines are represent here positive numbers. Below, above this 0, above this 0 is above positive numbers, below is the negative numbers. Okay, that is the representation. And what is the sign magnitude? 0 1 1 is a plus 7, 0 1 1 is a plus 6, 0 1 0 1 is a plus 5, 0 1 0 4 up to 0 0 plus 0. And below values 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, all below values are negative numbers. Plus 0 to plus 7 are positive numbers, minus 0 to minus 7 are negative numbers. There is a sign and magnitude for both positive and negative. And with represent the signed 1's complement. The 1's complement is same. I told positive numbers are represented in all same format. This is a main important point, just remember it. What it is? Positive numbers have same represented in all three systems. Sign, magnitude, 1's and 2's complements here. Sign, magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement, it is representing same positive numbers. Only negative represented in different formats. Here minus 0 is there, minus 7 is there, minus 8 is there. The negative is representing in have different representation. Positive is same representation. Okay, same representation in all three. This is a table of value represented. This table is very important to remember when you calculating the number systems for the sign, magnitude, 1's and 2's complement. In sign and magnitude system, the negative value is obtained by just changing the sign bit BMSB and keeping the remaining bits as they are. The numbers are in the range from minus 7 to plus 7 with 2 zeros. In general, the range values is minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 2 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 for n bit system with 2 zeros. Next is in 1's complement format, the negative number is obtained by complementing each bit of the corresponding positive number. The same operation can be carried out as a subtraction of process as the shown. The consider, for example, plus 7 is for here. The plus 7 is 0 1 1. That is to get minus 7. We perform the subtraction as plus 7 and minus 7 to subtract. What is the plus 7 is what? 1 1 1. Minus 7 is 0 1 1. That is equal to minus 7 in 1's complement formats here. Minus 7 is 1's complement is there here. 1's complement format. Okay. So what is 1 0 0 is the minus 7. See, 1 0 0 is the minus 7. 1 0 0 minus 1's complement for n. That is in general 2 to the power of n minus 1. Minus 1 is the 1's complement of n, where n is the original value. In this case also we observe 2 zeros in the representation. For an n bit system, the range of values will from minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 to the plus 2 to the power n minus 1. In this representation, to remember the above table. This table is very important to understanding what is the sign, magnitude, 1's and 2's complement. Next is the 2's complement system. The negative number is represented by getting the 2's complement of the corresponding positive number. This operation is same as subtracting the positive number from 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 2's complement of n, where n is the given integer value. There, for example, n is equal to plus 7, 0 1 1. 2's complement of n is add plus 1. That is the 2's complement. When it is getting the result of 1's complement, add the plus 1. That is the 2's complement. Okay. 2 to the power of n minus 1 means 2 to the power n means n is equal to 4. 2 to the power 4 minus 7, n is 7 is equal to 1 0 0 minus 0 0 1 is 1 0 0 1 minus 7. See here, 1 0 0 1 is the minus 7 of the 2's complement. See, 1 0 0 1 where it is minus 7 is the 2's complement. See the table. What is there? 1 0 0 1. Minus 1 is the sign magnitude, minus 6 is the 1's complement, minus 7 is the 2's complement. 1 0 0 1 is the minus 7 is the 2's complement. See, 1 0 0 1 is the minus 7 2's complement. This operation is called negation. 2's complement is also obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement of the number. Any number of the 1's complement number, add 1, that is known as 2's complement. We note that in this format there is only 1 0 and only 1 0. And the maximum negative number is having one value greater than the maximum positive number, that is the range values from minus 8 to plus 7. For n bit system, the range is minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 2 plus 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the format of the 2's complement. 2's complement form are represented is used in all computations in computers. Yeah. Today topics you have done the what is the number representation and arithmetic operations. The number represented is for this, for the 3 number format. What is the number representative of u of d, what is binary number b, and what is the number can be represented 3 formats, sign and magnitude, ones and twos complement. And this table is very important to adding the what is the number format of the positive and negative numbers. I will discuss the what is the value of the ones and twos complement. Yeah, this is today topic. We discuss the machine instruction, what is the number representations.